Hello traders, I am going to share the 7 steps which are important for you to make quick profits from the market. Yes, because traders, they don't do big mistakes, but the way they do small things while trading, the way they manage their trade, the way they make an entry, the way they manage their risk, that creates difference. तो ट्रेडर्स कोई ऐसी कोई 1000 चीज नहीं है जो वो गलत करते हैं, बट कुछ चीजें अगर उनको सुधार ली जाए तो यू कैन मेक इंस्टेंट एंड क्विक प्रॉफिट्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट. And once you start implementing those techniques, those things into your trading, you definitely will become a good trader. So are you ready for this? Are you ready to become a good trader? Yeah? Great. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you the one thing, and which is the most important thing, by the way, what is important for you for quick profits. Yes, excited, want to learn? Yeah. So the first thing here is that you have to understand your reason to enter into a trade. Okay? Like in my case and all my students, we have a one candle entry. तो हमारे ट्रेड करने का जो कारण है वो एक कैंडल है जिसकी वजह से हम इस ट्रेड में एंटर हुए. दैट मे बी अ रिवर्सल कैंडल और एनी रिवर्सल बाय सेटअप, एनी सेटअप व्हिच इज अकरिंग अराउंड मूविंग एवरेजेस, कोई स्विंग टॉप है या कोई स्विंग बॉटम है, व्हाटएवर वन कैंडल और टू कैंडल और थ्री कैंडल सेटअप you figured out just to make an entry into a trade. That setup is your reason to enter into a trade, right? So define your loss before you enter into a trade. To be a consistent trader, you need to be consistent at your losses. How? Suppose you kept one candle stop loss, right? And what you do, whatever is your reversal candle, उस reversal candle के ऊपर अगर आप buy कर रहे हैं, तो you keep your stop loss 1 penny or 1 point below your entry candle. And if it is other way around, if you are shorting because of one candle, keep your stop loss a little above your first entry candle, right? तो आपको क्या करना है कि you try to keep your stop loss of one candle only. Now if you do so, your profit could be 2 candles, 3 candles, 4 candles, and sometimes it could be 20 candles in a row. So that is what you'll make as a trader, right? Yes, but every time when you are entering into a trade, your stop loss or your risk or your maximum permissible loss is only one candle. How is the idea? So if you make yourself consistent at estimating your expected loss or projected loss in market, you could become a consistent winner in the market. I hope you understood this logic first. ठीक है, तो कभी भी ट्रेड में एंटर करने से पहले अपना स्टॉप लॉस निर्धारित करें. जो भी आपका सेटअप है, रिवर्सल बाय है या रिवर्सल सेल है या कंटिन्यूशन बाय है या कंटिन्यूशन सेल है, कीप योर स्टॉप लॉस 1 penny, 1.1 rupee below the entry level or above the entry level. ठीक है, and then you see कि अच्छा मेरा एक कैंडल का स्टॉप लॉस है and how much candles I'm making as a profit, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 10 or 20. So that way you'll become a consistently profitable trader, right? So improve on this thing. Comment below what is else which you want to cover me in the next videos, right? And before I come with the second problem, I want you to fix this first problem. जितने भी आप ट्रेड लें, jot down the reasons, jot down the projected stop loss you kept, and then go for the next. Yes, so I hope I helped you, yeah, with this thing, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, trade well, stay safe, and follow your risk management religiously. Thank you, bye bye.